What's up, everybody? How are you doing? And welcome to, you already know, it's Marketing with Dom, the firest content out, the only squad leader out there trying to really train people on how to make their own income across these platforms. That's me. And I'm hoping it's going to help you take your shit to the next level. I've upgraded so many things so that I could get you the best content, period. So please make sure you subscribe down below. Please make sure you comment because it helps me get to the top of these algorithms so all these pretty faces can understand that I'm really delivering the best content out there. So make sure you comment down below. Let's go squad up. So people have been asking me, what is in my teaching course and how can I make money with you? It's been a question back and forth. What's in your teaching course? How can I make money with you? So I have two ways and we're going to talk about it during this video. Are you ready? You thought I was going to cut to another screen or something, but I didn't. So we're going to talk about one. What do I teach in my coaching course? So step one, what I teach is how to set up your platform to make more sales. How do you do the free to the paid and all the things in between that you need to make it win? How do you set up your page to make more sales? I've been around hundreds of pages. What do I mean by that? Here's one little niche for you. You need to make sure that your header on your page is a full body picture. They convert 10 times better than logos, than a half face picture, a full body picture, because you don't have much place to market yourself. That header needs to be taken over. You see what I'm saying? Just little things that make a big difference, especially when you're only converting a small amount of people at first. You really have to be set up for optimization. Let's go with something else that I teach in my course. How do you create pay-per-view videos that freaking win over and over again? It's because it's all in the setup. People are like, I don't know, no one's buying. No one just buys random stuff. And if you don't know what it looks like from the user point of view, when you just lock a post, they only see just a locked post with a little bit of text that most people are doing. But what you need to do is you need to set up a communication dialogue before you drop the video so people are ready and waiting for what they think is about to come. Do you know how many things that you buy in your life when you're waiting for it to come? A movie to come out, a show to come out. What's the difference between you and your content? There isn't one. Secondly, we're going to go back into that, but let's go over the second way to make money with me is that instead of charging this huge $200 amount that I was going to do, I was going to charge like $250. I have people paying it right now for one-on-one coaching. It's a real thing, but I couldn't help the model that couldn't afford the growth. So I decided to change everything, my coaching, my course, everything for $47 a month. I want to make it affordable. Secondly, when you join the coaching, if you want to get a refund or any sort of that, you just got to go to the help desk on the page. If you want to cancel your subscription, it's all accessible for you to do it in the help desk. I make sure people know that because I'm not trying to keep your money captive. I want people to win. I want people to make money. If you can't afford $47 a month on OnlyFans platform when you should be making $1,000 to $2,000 a month and I'm giving the best content, you should cancel 100%. Because why would I want to take your money if I can't help you? I built this to sustain helping people out in this industry because I felt like everything was overpriced and it wasn't good information. So I give out mastermind courses. We do live stuff like that as well, all in the coaching. So second way you can make money is by selling the $47 course with me and my team. If you're somebody who's already making money out there, teach a piece of something that you know that people don't know and teach it. Give it to others. The best thing for you to do is to take your information and sell it as well as you're selling your content, because to do both takes an extreme amount of time and energy, right? So you should definitely do both, okay? So here's what I want to say to you. You can sell the course and be in the course at the same time. You get all access to all of my Telegram groups that I'm in, plus my whole team answering questions, and plus the models that have been in there. I have over 800 models in our coaching program. Now, not in our coaching program, in the free program. In our coaching, we probably have 100 or 2. People learning every day, making more money, adjusting, having conversations. We're even giving out personal promos for our team, a month at a time, getting your own media buyer. Come on. I'm giving out gold here. Come on, people. Come on, people. All I'm asking for people to do is to do the work, honestly. I'm looking at my phone right now because I have one of the models hitting me up right now because she's a doer. She's going to make $10,000 next month. Why? Because she's a doer. I'm telling you, this is hard work like a business. If you want it easy, I'm going to make it easier. But it doesn't make the process easy. You got to put in the work, my friend, every day. This is a business. If you don't, it's a good side hustle, but you still got to put the money in. Still got to put the money in. You know what I'm saying? Still got to put the money in. All right? So I look at it like that way. Got to put the money in. Okay, so I wanted you to do something for me. I need you to make sure you share this video around because it's going to do nothing but grow and grow and grow over time. I have multiple platforms for you to come through. Oh, wait once. Let me tell you the golden secret. If you're watching this video still to this point right now, I'm telling you right now, this is the best reason why you should have stayed here. Right now, I am building out the Bunny Agency, okay? But my biggest thing is the beta program I have in the Bunny Network. Okay, Bad Bunny Network. I wanted to make sure that there's not all these groups where people are getting scammed and taken away from. I wanted to create a community where people can be legit and be looked over and be reviewed and make sure they're not just scamming people over and over and over again and getting a chance. I don't want to do that. So I built my own platform for us to be able to communicate with agencies, models, photographers, places to fly out to, events, projects, jobs in this whole industry and be professional about it and stop letting all these slimer people in the back end do all this shit and you can't even give them a review or make sure they're not working with other models or people the way that they're abusing this industry. So you know what? Let's change the game up. Let's do something different. Let's make it different. It's 2020, my peeps. 2021. I don't know when you're watching this video. It could be 5 years from now. Why? Because it's YouTube and it's hot and I'm going to change the industry. So that's what you're going to be a part of me. Be a part of the team. Be a part of the new wave. Be a part of the new style of which this is going to take over. OnlyFans has helped lead the way, but they're not the only ones. And I'm telling you, we're going to do something greater and different than the industry has been doing before. I want to let everybody know out there that it is time to be the best you. And I think hard work and being a good person is the least of things that we should be able to offer, especially in this industry of dark shit. Okay? So let's lighten this place up and do some great things. I appreciate everybody who watches my videos. Let's go. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you find me and you hit me up and say what's up and ask questions. Join my course for $47 and start learning every single day how to grow your OnlyFans. I'll catch you on the side. It's your boy DB live in the building. Let's go. Let me see that to the right, to the right, oh, sorry, my bad, let me cut this off.